is awake and the doctor says that she needs an emergency surgery because her heart is under a lot of strain. Mawethu went to see Qhawe claiming that she's his girlfriend while Onga got turned away. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Zolega is stressed out, worried about losing Qhawe. She says that what the doctor said about this disease being life-threatening, they keep coming to her head and she can't stomach it, saying that she cannot lose Uqhawe, not like this. Lazarus is there to support her, saying, don't worry, we will not lose Uqhawe. We'll do everything that we can to make sure to Uba right. And then again they going on about how come they missed it, how come they didn't know Guti Uqhawe had a heart problem all this time. As from celebration and now it's all sad because like how come they didn't pick it up? Uqhawe had a heart condition. And then Utumeka's worried was so this is a Bikisha thing because it means like it's Bikisha, it's a curse because it killed Utataka Zolega now. Uqhawe now a heart condition. It's like it's a curse, and how come they didn't pick it up? Utlat is like, no, don't worry, man. Utla will fight this. She did when she was a baby. She's going to continue fighting it. Ulikamva is worried, saying, does this mean if it's in the bloodline, does this mean Yanga and I are next? What about our children too? Does it mean they're going to suffer from this thing? But Utla is like, don't worry, Utla's over right, man. You guys are in my band, like you got my blood too, and it's over right. Umawethu is not coping. He's just sitting on the couch rotting, because he's feeling bad about everything that happened, saying that he can't get off the picture of Uqhawe, feeling helpless. She couldn't breathe just before she collapsed, saying that she can't even go to his bedroom because she keeps on seeing the picture of Uqhawe. And then cousin of Sam is like, you know what, you need to get to bath, get rest, and man, you can't just sit here thinking about her like this. Uqhawe right was over right. But what if she doesn't make it? What if she doesn't pull through? And then Mawethu decides to go see Qhawe in hospital. He decided to go there before visiting hours so he doesn't bump into the family. Who are you? How did you get in here? Because it's not even visiting hours and only family is allowed. Uqhawe is my girlfriend. I had to see her. The nurse understood and said, okay, it's fine. I'll allow you because you're the boyfriend. But just 10 minutes, okay? And then I was able to what I know, she's a fighter, she's fighting, she'll be fine when we're doing our best. And then Umawethu talks to Qhawe saying that I'm so sorry for everything. He's referring to the scandal, saying I should have told you everything in the beginning. I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. And you need to know, Kuba, I love you. You'll always be the one for me. And when he's saying this, Onga is standing by the door watching Mawethu pleading with Qhawe not to leave him, confessing his love for her. And then Onga then a nurse sees him standing outside the door saying, excuse me, sir, you're not supposed to be here. But what about him? He's the boyfriend, only family is allowed, so you can't be here. While disappointed, Onga, he left. And then Zolega again no Tumeka at the hospital. Tumeka going on about she's supposed to start on Monday, but it's gonna start tomorrow because usibhekane noQhawe. Bahleke ukuthi uNtsiki is able to do something sensible uma ikhona because uNtsiki arranged a job for Tumeka. And then uQhawe wakes up. They were so excited. Zolega, how are you feeling? Are you okay, my baby? They were all over her. Tumeka went to get the doctor so they can look at her. But the doctor asked them to step outside so they can actually examine Uqhawe. They were so happy, thinking God is good. Uqhawe. And then now the doctor has a meeting with the parents. My biological, my parents, everyone is there, all four of them, telling them Kuba Qhawe is under a lot of strain. It shows she was struggling to breathe. So she has to do they have to do an emergency surgery because now she's sedated, and so they have to do emergency surgery right away because the condition is serious. It's like critically serious. It's like there's a severe blood flow obstruction. It's like the heart is supposed to pump blood, but it means it's like struggling to pump the blood, so they need to do an emergency surgery. to save her because Lizzie is under a lot of strain. Now the whole family is worried. I hope surgery goes well and Uqhawe recovers soon, hey, because Uzela cannot lose Uqhawe. And then uZethu busy uyatatazela emsebenzini. uSid ends up asking ukuthi what's going on with you? Athi umngane wami uQhawe usesibhedlela, she had a heart attack. uSid athi uQhawe mabandla athi yes. Athi it's okay, you can take the day off. Hayi wazwa umuntu uSydney for once in his life. And then uZethu goes home ke ukuyohlala noLikamva, and they just lying in bed together, going on about how they hope they said about the whole power thing, and that it's better now because usevukile, but they can't go because they said they're only restricting to a few people. And then uLikamva ke excited because he got his results. Now he's going to start his new job, so it means imali izongena manje. Now he's thinking of cohabiting noZethu. Abuza uZethu ke ukuthi how does she feel about uMasihlalisane? uZethu seems to like the idea because she won't have to share a room with her siblings. Hey, uzophambana uhlathi. And then uSydney overhears a conversation between Landle noLinda ePalette. Landle asking uLinda how she feels about him, what she thinks about him, like putting his name up for the Australian gig, because Onga encouraged him to put it. Obviously Onga because he's beating on my way to now. And then uLinda's not happy, saying ukuthi Khusela is always overlooking women. Why yena bangamqalanga ukuthi afake igama lakhe. uSydney uses that to prey on Linda because uyabona ukuthi uLinda sees ukuthi she's not valued eKhusela, and tells her she's got an opportunity that she wants to involve her in, and that she must not share this with anyone. She must just keep it under wraps. When you're underrated eKhusela and you've got a lot of skill. But uSid is like, hey, Linda's like, I know you, Pela. Are you sure this thing is above board? It's not anything illegal. I do sit nice, so don't worry, it's just a private gig. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.